In today's video, traders, I'm going to talk about the Aussie dollar on the weekly time frame and why I think we might see a nice movement to the upside here on AUD USD in the coming weeks. Let's go ahead and dive into this concept right now. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Nick. I make all sorts of currency related content here on YouTube talking Forex. Sometimes we get into a little bit of stocks and cryptocurrency, but primarily we're going to be talking about Forex like we're about to do here on the Aussie dollar. So big stuff here. Aussie dollar has been in a downtrend for quite a bit of time. You can see if I zoom back out, you can see we're in a downtrend for quite a bit of time. This is back since January of 2018. You can see we've had pretty much a gradual fall overall in this pair. And if we even zoom out further, you can see since 2011, where we put in that recent high, right? Or that local high, you can see price has made a movement down to the downside for quite a while. And what I think here is interesting is I think we might be seeing the next phase of, or kind of a reversal of this downtrend starting here on Aussie dollar. And it's mostly technical, but there's also some stuff having to do with fundamentals. But here, what you can see here, we're looking at the chart from a weekly perspective. So this is a longer term idea that I have here and why I think that we could see the run of an upwards movement here or a bullish movement on the Aussie dollar. I'm going to get into some of the technicals here. The first thing I want to highlight, or for at least for us to look at, is, we have this downward trend line that has been a very, very structurally sound piece of information when it comes to the Aussie dollar. So what we can see here is that for the most part, we have the market making a series of lower highs. Okay, take a look here. You can see lower high here, right? Lower high along the way on this particular pair. Now, the reason that I think we have some room to run is that what we see currently happening on Aussie dollar is we see a break above that trend line. Typically, when you have a market that's trending like this, it's respecting downward market structure, right? And when that starts to break, this is kind of the pattern we're looking at, right? If we draw this a little bit differently, you can see if we have this kind of downward trend, the idea that I have here is that, again, we have this downward structure. But the idea is that if price decides to continue to be bullish as we are currently seeing it, it is dangerously close to breaking through some of that structure and potentially even continuing into a new trend. Now, the interesting idea here is that if this price decides to break the downtrend and retest bullish, we could see the construct or the start of a bigger trend to the upside. Now, let me tell you a little bit of a second component to my theory here. Take a look at this recent structure low that we have seen on Aussie dollar, right? If you take a look here, we have a low, another low, and a higher low here. Okay, so price bounced off of this level. We found buyers here. We found buyers here. Price kind of rallied up to that, of course, that retest of the trend line. We saw the rebounds off of that, or the downward movement, but we failed to continue lower. And let me tell you why that's a big deal. Well, if you're a long-term bear here on that weekly chart on Aussie dollar, likely what you probably would want to see is the market breaking through that long-term structure of support, right? We would want to see, if you're a long-term bear, a healthy trend continuation would break through that level, and we would see the continuation towards lower levels on Aussie dollar. But what we're seeing right now is actually something very different. Recently, taking a look at price action, if we zoom in just a bit here, you can see that not only did we put in that lower high, that higher low, right? That higher low here, right? We also stopped at this level, found support, put in a higher low, and now it looks like price wants to even break that seriously important level for bears who are holding this long-term weekly trend line. And so what this means, guys, is that this is potentially breaking through some of the structure. There are some levels that I'd want to see broken as well to really confirm that this bullish run could happen. For example, let me show you guys this level here, right? We're currently testing this resistance here, and if price decides to trade bullish here, that's where my bias would shift here. Okay, now we're starting to see some stuff where we could see a continuation to the upside there on Aussie dollar, right? So if price breaks through this level, finds support there and continues, well, that's where we could see a bigger run here. And we even have the potential for some kind of higher levels, right? So we have some big movements potentially, maybe up to this structural level, right? Because if we break through this level, the next major area that I'd probably look for would be right here around that, what is that, the 0.710 level even, right? You can see just in that general area, that might even be a place to consider. Now, longer term, if the price really starts to get going to the upside, we could even see a movement up to here. You can see right around the 0.7200 level. That might also be a level here to watch. But again, what I'm going to be looking for first in order to kind of confirm or see that this idea actually plays out, I'd like to see that this level here gets broken as a level of resistance and does in fact become a support. Okay, so the idea here is that this level, if it breaks through, could act as a shelf or a kicking off or a launch pad for this continued movement to the upside. This is kind of my idea in terms of Aussie dollar. If we see this play out, then I think we could see, if we see the continued break of this trend line, I think we could see a nice rally up to some of these levels. If the market decides to move up to this area, you're looking at 180 so pips and maybe even bigger. If we make a movement up to here, you can see 300 pips of movement there on this particular move. That's a pretty big move for this pair, considering that Aussie dollar is a relatively low volatility instrument. But while we're talking about this, let's pull up AUDJPY or Aussie yen and see what we have going on with this pair. You can see for the most part, we have put in some technical structure here that looks pretty bullish as well. Take a look at the fact that markets are forming a series of higher lows here. If I could type correctly, higher lows in this market, right? And the other big thing here to notice is that we do see price coming pretty close to the idea of a retest of this area. Now we already saw, we're seeing price break above this trend line level as well on Aussie yen. So not only are we seeing it on Aussie dollar, we're seeing it on Aussie yen as Aussie is gaining strength against some of the other currencies out there, right? So you have lower highs here as well, a very similar structure to Aussie dollar. And you can see more recently that price is currently breaking through this trend line. Now, will that hold? I'm not exactly 100% sure, as no trader can be, but based on what I see here, the technicals to me look very, very bullish, and that Aussie dollar or an Aussie yen might have room to run here. Now, I do want to say one thing about trading Aussie yen versus Aussie dollar is, let's take a look at this really quick, and you can see this is our level of resistance here. If price breaks through this, let's talk about kind of what we did on Aussie dollar, right? Talking about potential levels of interest that we could see price move to. Well, we have this level here right around the 80.0 level, right? And we also have this area here, which is kind of that recent structure high. Again, this is a weekly chart, guys, so this is longer term stuff. But if we're talking around the 83.5 level, how many pips is this movement? Well, take a look at this, guys. Now we're talking 450 pips towards that area roughly, and even 800 pips towards this area here. Why is this important? Well, Aussie yen is a notoriously more volatile currency pair rather than Aussie dollar. And so if you're looking for those higher volatility, bigger pip movements, you could try taking a look at Aussie yen. And if you're looking for a slightly less volatile trade, maybe there's something there for you for Aussie dollar. Now, I do want to say this is not me giving financial advice. This is more just me sharing my technical analysis. And my biggest thing here with Aussie currency pairs right now is I think that we have room to run, especially if we start to break through some of this structure. We could see this trend, the counter trend that's currently playing on could even move into a bigger trend. Again, 450 pips here and even a potential for 800 pips there on Aussie yen looking at that weekly chart. Now, again, this is a longer term play, so you'd have to be patient with these moves and of course trade what you see and of course find your own trade setups. But the idea here is that I think that we could see a continued rally on these Aussie pairs as they have been quite heavily beaten down, and we are seeing some technicals that are leaning bullish on both Aussie yen and Aussie dollar. Real quick, we'll just take a final look at Aussie Swiss and see what this one's doing. Swiss pairs have been very, very choppy lately. You can see not as clear of a concept here. And really what I'd probably be looking for on this pair would be a break above this structure here if you were interested in trading Aussie yen for potential continuation. But with that information that we have on Aussie dollar and Aussie yen, Aussie Swiss could also be a currency pair that maybe you formulate a bullish bias on if you agree with what I'm saying, right? So that is one way that you can use multiple different currency pairs to even help your analysis in other pairs. One more thing, we'll wrap it up with taking a look back. We'll loop back to Aussie dollar and take a look at the daily chart and see what's going on here if we can get any clear pictures. Again, take a look at that downward trend line. You can see price holding this level very nicely and looking like it may even want to break through this resistance. We'll see and we'll watch if price can get above this structure here. That's really going to be a key factor for me watching the potential longer term move to the upside. This I would consider be a long-term counter trend break, right? So long-term the trend has been down, but we're seeing the break of that trend potentially and where we could see a nice run. Guys, I hope you got something out of the video. Make sure to like down below and also subscribe to the channel if it was helpful to you. We'll see you next time.